ClassroomGo's quick quiz feature has been fully upgraded to the Snap Interactive Kits, offering a wide range of real-time interactive tools. Let's take a look together. Once teachers log into the latest version of ClassroomGo, they will see the brand new Snap Interactive Kits on the left side. Clicking on it opens up a brand new interactive interface. In addition to the original handwriting mode, we've added new features such as Vote, Multi-Questions, and Snap and Homework, allowing for more dynamic and diverse interactions between teachers and students. Vote include 2 formats: agree or disagree, and multiple choice with 4 options. Multi-questions also come in 2 formats: true or false and multiple choice 4 options. Students can answer up to 5 questions at a time. With Snap and Homework, students can use their devices to take pictures of their completed assignments or projects, or choose an image file to upload and submit to the teacher. Let's use the multi-questions as an example. Teachers can capture content not only from web pages, but also from PDF files or any screen on their device. For instance, with this test paper, teachers can use our screenshot tool to capture the needed content. Once selected, teachers simply set the time limit, question type, and number of questions, then click Send to push the activity to student devices. ClassroomGo will then display the activity record interface for the question set. On the student's device, ClassroomGo will automatically open the practice interface. Students view the screenshot question shared by the teacher, select their answer, and submit by clicking the Answer button at the bottom. Back on the teacher's end, students' answers and submission times are instantly displayed, along with visual statistics for each question. Teachers can also set the correct answers at any time, and ClassroomGo will automatically help verify the student responses, allowing teachers to immediately understand student performance. Finally, teachers can click the screenshot button on the top right to capture and download the results for further use. So come and try it out now. Let ClassroomGo help make your classroom interactions more diverse and engaging.